Let's be honest, if you're over 50 and sitting is your favorite hobby, congratulations, you're aging in fast forward. But hey, it's not your fault. Sitting happens. We sit to eat, we sit to work, we sit to rest from all the sitting we did earlier. But here's the brutal truth. After 50, too much sitting doesn't just make you stiff. It slowly wrecks your hips, heart, posture, balance, digestion, and your ability to ever touch your toes again. So, if you're sitting right now, don't move. Well, actually, you will need to move, because I'm about to give you the 4 moves every man and woman over 50 must do daily if you sit a lot. Comment "fit" if this already sounds like you, and let's fix it together. All right, here we go. Move number 1, Hip Flexor Stretch, aka undo the desk damage. You know that tight, locked-up feeling in your hips when you try to stand up after a long sit? That's your hip flexors crying for help. Long periods of sitting literally shorten these muscles, and when they get too tight, they start pulling on your back and messing with your posture. Here's what to do. Get into a gentle lunge position. Back knee on the ground, front foot flat. Push your hips forward slightly and feel the stretch in the front of the back leg hip. Hold for 30 seconds each side. Bonus points if you don't fall over. Move number 2, seated spinal twist, because slouching isn't a sport. Let's be real. When we sit, we become C-shaped humans, hunched shoulders, forward neck, compressed spine. So let's untwist it. Sit upright in a chair, feet flat. Place your right hand on your left knee. Twist gently to the left. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Feels good, right? Like giving your spine a mini massage. Move number 3, Glute Bridges, your backside's comeback story. Sitting turns your glutes into pancakes, and I'm not talking about the fluffy kind. When your glutes stop firing, your posture collapses and your back overcompensates, which leads to pain, weakness, and zero swag in your walk. Here's how to revive them. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for 1 second, then lower. Do 2 to 3 sets of 12 reps. If you feel it in your back, pause. Re-engage your glutes, then lift. Your butt should do the work, not your spine. Move number 4, Wall Angels, posture reset for humans, not statues. Years of sitting makes your upper back forget how to pull your shoulders back. You end up stuck in T-Rex mode, arms forward, chest tight, neck tilted. Wall Angels are the fix. Stand with your back against a wall, feet 6 inches away, arms in goalpost position. Try to slide your arms up and down the wall like you're making a snow angel. Do 10 to 15 slow reps daily. It's harder than it looks and worth every second. Now, let's put it all together. These 4 moves will improve your posture, reactivate sleeping muscles, restore circulation, and stop your body from slowly fusing into your desk chair. Comment "fit" if you're adding even one of these today. And hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because I drop new videos that help you move, feel, and live younger after 50. And hey, if you want a simple 5-minute daily routine that reverses aging through movement and food, check the next video popping up now. Don't skip it, your back will thank you.